We guide you through how to root your Android phone and flash it safely, step by step. So the first thing you need to do is to back up all your important data because this process will erase everything. Next, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times, then turn on USB debugging and UEM unlocking. Connect your phone to your PC and install ADB and fastboot tools. Now, unlock the bootloader using the command fastboot OEM unlock or fastboot flashing unlock, depending on your device, and confirm on your phone. Once unlocked, download the correct custom recovery like TWRP for your exact model. Then flash it using fastboot flash recovery.img. Boot into recovery mode and install a root file like mages to gain root access for flashing. Download the correct firmware or custom ROM, move it to your device, and install it via recovery by selecting install and choosing the file. After flashing, wipe cache and reboot your phone.